Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial will be not about IArtBook. It's about Adobe Fresco. It's free to use, however you can pay to pro version. Like one of my IArtBook tutorial video, I taught how to make stamps, but you can't make multicolor stamps in IArtBook yet however. So today I will show you how to make multicolor stamps. Open the Adobe Fresco and create any canvas. Go to Photos and select a background erased photo. If the background is not erased, then it will look like this. Click the icon and pointed by the arrow. Minimize your canvas so it fit inside the circle. Click the plus. Click. 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 Here you go. Like, subscribe and share with your art lover friends.